Hi guys, back to another Python tutorial. Today we're gonna be learning one of the most fundamental stuff in Python. Everyone should know this. Everyone should know this, even in real life. And some are only available in code. So today we are gonna learn operators. So we've got divided into three parts. We've got arithmetic operators, and then we got comparison operators, blah blah blah. So let's do this. So first up, we have got some, let's say, arithmetic operations, which allow you to calculate stuff. So number one is the plus sign, obviously going to be addition. Something like 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Yeah, that one. And then minus sign, of course, is going to be subtraction. Really easy. And then also it's multiplication. And this one is really, the sign is only really available in coding and the computers because you can't use a cross as the multiplication sign. So we use this star, and this is multiplication, which is like 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. And next one that we got is division. That one's also really easy. It's just a slash, and just to fill in, not the dot, dot, I don't know, just the normal division operator in real life, not that one, so it is replaced by the slash right here. And then the last one is really just available in coding languages. It is called a modulus, and what it does is it calculates a division, but instead of returning the product, which is the answer of the division, it gives you the remaining value. This one's really useful because maybe you can check, have you finished everything yet? So yeah, modulus is something really special. Okay, so now let's get to going with some real life demos. So number one, we got adding just a plus addition. So we got 5 plus 8. This should return 13 right here. Look at this. This is the perfect one. So we've done addition. Now we're gonna do subtraction. Right, this should give me a 2. There we go. You just subtracted a 3 from a 5. Okay, next up we got multiplication, which is star. There we go. So it's just 5. It's multiplied by 3, which is the multiplication, what it does. There we go. And then next one, we got a division. This should give me a 2, which because 5 divided by 2.5, this should give me a 2. Yes, there we go. And you see, because our division thing is floated, this answer is also floated as well. And then last but not least is the really new one. It's going to be a modulus. So, okay, so if we divide 5 by 3, dang it, where's the modulus? Okay, so this one is, so 5 is not divisible by 3. There is definitely going to be a remain. And I'm going to tell you that this modulus is going to give you the remain, which is obviously going to be a 2. Yes, there we go. And that's what the modulus does. So next up, we've got some assignment We got some assignments. Hold on. We screwed this up. So this again. So next up, we got ourselves some assignment operators. Is basically equivalent to the last ones, just one thing. It's probably used on a variable, and that equal means that what it does to the variable. So it's adding, minus, and then there's multiplication, division, and modulus. And basically what it does is, I'm going to give a demonstration here, is that maybe if you say this one, this is actually equal to x plus 3. So what it does is adds the variable itself to something else. So you might want to say x plus sign equals sign 3. So it adds 3 to the x. And same applies on any other ones. And finally, last but not least, we have got comparison operators. So let's start. So double equal sign is equal. It means equal. And then next up we got ourselves an exclamation mark and a equal sign. This one's really special, only available in Python, and it means not equal to. So like 5 exclamation mark equals, it's going to say it's not equal to that. It's going to give you a true. So maybe like in an if function, which we're going to learn later, maybe if it's not equal to, then maybe some variable, and then you give this sign, and to some variable, maybe if they're not equal to, you enter that loop or something else. And then next up, we have got greater than and less than. You could just switch those up. Just to remember, the big side is greater and the tiny sign is going to be less. And last but not least, we got the last two, which is basically greater than and less than with an equal sign. So it means it's either greater than or equal to. So it passes if it's equal to that value as well. So anyways, thanks for watching our video today. More Python tutorials coming up next. And be sure to like, subscribe, most fundamental stuff, I like to say. Yeah, cheers.